Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Project 365. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany. Project 365 is a year-long series that started on the 28th of November 2024 and ends on the 28th of November this year. So I document my natural hair journey for 365 days, sharing updates, routines, and everything that I do to grow and care for 4C hair. The goal is to see how much progress I can make in terms of growth, health, and overall hair care practices. I share monthly updates just like this one on the 28th of every month. So if you're on your own hair journey, you're in the right place. Let's grow together. This is episode 2, my second month update, and I'm so glad you're here. This month has been so busy. School started, I've been working on my final semester project and planning generally the whole year ahead. But even with everything going on, I've been sticking to some simple hair care routines to keep my hair healthy. Now that you're all caught up, let's dive into this month's update and see how my hair has been doing. This month, my hair has stayed in mini twists the whole time, which I love because it's such a low maintenance style. I did a few small repairs here and there to keep the twists neat, but overall, it's been great for protecting my hair and reducing manipulation. So I previously washed my hair in mini twists, but a few days after that, I had a bit of irritation on my scalp, and I started thinking it's probably because I didn't wash out the products properly on my hair, and I wanted to find out if any of you guys had also experienced the same. If you've ever washed your hair while in mini twists, did you get any reaction afterwards? Because I was using the same products that I use on my wash days, I have never had any reaction as this one, and I decided on never washing my hair again in mini twists, and I'm going to be washing it when it's open. So if you've had a similar experience or you know how to deal with it, kindly tell me in the comments below, and I'd really appreciate it. From my previous video, the 1 month update of Project 365, one of the comments or questions I received were, do you prefer the lemongrass water over the rosemary water you used in your other video? I use rosemary water, so I would like to know if it's better. Now let's talk about scalp care. Last month, I introduced my lemongrass and moringa spray into my hair care routine. But in all honesty, from my personal experience, it didn't feel as effective as I hoped. It wasn't as soothing on my scalp, so I decided to mix it with my rosemary water blend, which I make using rosemary, mint, fenugreek, cloves, and ginger, making a whole other spray combined with all these ingredients. This new mix has been a game changer. I've been using it on my scalp every morning and evening, and my scalp feels so much better, cleaner and more refreshed. Since my hair is low porosity, I've been moisturizing every other day using the LCO method. First, I spray my hair with the rosemary water blend, making sure every strand is coated. Then I go in with my ORS olive oil cream to lock in moisture, and finally, seal it all with oil. I didn't do this too often because I wanted to avoid product buildup, but this routine kept my hair soft and hydrated despite the twists. Now it's time for my favorite part, measuring my hair. Let's see how far we've gotten this month. I started by doing a length check using the t-shirt. The lines are 1 inch apart. This is where I started off at. My hair has grown by half an inch since December. My hair is currently 14 inches and it was previously at 13.5 inches. Not bad for a month, right? So that's it for my second month update. To be honest, I didn't do too much this month. I just kept my hair in twists, worked on my scalp care routine, and moisturized using the LCO method. I'll continue using the rosemary and lemongrass spray, and I'm excited to see how it works in the months ahead. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to follow along on this journey. I'll see you on the next episode, and until then, take care and happy hair growing. Until then, take care and happy hair growing. Don't forget to like, subscribe,